Hi, this is Christy Matthews with ChristyMatthewsOnline.com. You made it to video number 4. Congratulations of our 16 productivity tips. So let's go ahead and get busy with tip number 13, and that is ditch the virtual assistants and find somebody on your list. Why would you want to do that? Well, you've probably have corresponded with or know somebody who or has sold something to somebody who might have skills who can help you remove some of the tedious things that you do every day in return for you mentoring them. That could be a tremendous help for both of you. They will be learning from you, from the tedious things that you're doing in your business. And for you, you can focus on working on creative types of things. When you're creating content, that is where the money is made. So the most time that you can spend to creating content, the better. So find whatever way you can to outsource technical issues. Unless you are a technical expert, outsource them because they can drain you both emotionally and physically. Trade your blogging, your articles for design, technical work, those types of things. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Step number 14, and that is setting goals. You've heard the saying, failing to plan is planning to fail, and that is so true. So what we want to do here is we've got short-term goals and long-term goals. Your long-term goals should probably be up on some sort of picture board, something that is a reminder to you. I'm looking at my board right now. Something that's a reminder to you of what you're doing this for. What are you working for? The long-term reward. But every day we have short-term goals that we must accomplish to get to that long-term goal. So for short-term goals, what works for me, I like to write down what I need to do tomorrow. So once I'm done for the day, the last few minutes before I wrap things up, I'm writing down things I want to complete the next morning. Now, you might be the person that, writes the stuff down in the morning. That's fine. It doesn't really matter. The experts say that you should either write your list down when you complete your day or write your list down before you start your day. And that's what I recommend. You can also create a mind map to see your bigger picture, your bigger goals. You can find mind mapping software. It's free. Just Google mind mapping software and you'll be able to find something out there that will work for you. Give it a try. Tip number 15 is create daily routines. Your DMO, your daily method of operation, you want to create those to where they become second nature to you, kind of like riding a bike. You don't think about riding a bike anymore, I'm sure. You just jump on and you ride, and the same thing goes with our business. So make it your routines to where you're doing the same things and it becomes second nature to you. You want to work in 50-minute increments. You work that 50 minutes, take 10 minutes off. You work 2 to 3 hours in those 50-minute increments, take a half an hour off. So within 3 hours, you're going to be basically having about an hour off. Okay, so that's a total of 4 hours. You'll have a total of an hour off within those 4 hours. Hopefully that made sense to you. You want to unplug during those 10-minute breaks. Don't be thinking about business. Don't be returning calls unless it's your scheduled return time. Get some fresh air. Do some stretching. You want to write down this DMO, your routine, because down the road one day you might end up hiring somebody who can take over a lot of these things and you won't have to write them down then. Last thing is schedule everything. We all have scheduling programs available to us. I happen to use the Gmail calendar. They have a task list there that I happen to like, and I schedule my routines out in hour increments, actually 50-minute increments. And I schedule family time, my time. If I'm going to get gasoline, if I know I need to get gas, I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my schedule. So anything that I am going to be doing and going somewhere is in my calendar. And just an aside, this isn't a productivity tip, but also having a record of everything that you do also protects you with your record keeping for IRS purposes as well. So anyway, that is it for these 16 productivity tips. I hope that you got tremendous value from them. I'd really appreciate you leaving a comment down below and let me know if this was valuable to you. Until the next time, Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.